Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to use the quick login feature on Roblox. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the quick login feature is actually a handy little feature. And what you can do is actually log in onto your Roblox account on any device. And what that's going to do is send a message or a code for you to enter on your main device, which is logged into your account. So what I mean by this is if you come across to roblox.com and you come to the login screen, and say I've not got my email or password to hand, what I can do is click down here where it says login with your quick login. If I click that, what's going to happen? That's going to give me a code. So I've actually got my phone logged into my Roblox account at the moment. And what you need to do is actually go to your device that has got your Roblox account logged in. And if you come to your account page and then click the gear settings icon, which is in the top right hand corner of the page. And then what you need to do is come down and click onto the quick login option. And what it's going to do is ask you to input the code that you've been given. So I'm going to put this onto my phone. And once that's done, there'll be a enter button. So I just need to hit enter. And then it's going to ask me to confirm the login on my phone. And you'll see after a second or two, that's just going to go through and verify, and that's going to log me into my account. So you can do this on any device, but you have to make sure you've got one of your devices logged in already. So I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.